So to fix the eFootball network error occurred problem, all you need to do is close eFootball, and then you want to reopen eFootball again. And once you do that, I'll show you the steps that you need to take. So you will see the loading screen, and then you might get a video to watch, but we'll just go through this process. And it's relatively straightforward and simple, and the reason why this can happen is if someone logs into your account from another device. So I'll just go through the intro. Let me turn down the volume here real quick. And you want to hit these three lines right there, and then you'll see an option there that says data transfer. Tap onto data transfer, and then you'll see transfer data linked to Konami ID or transfer data linked to Google Play account. You need to decide or click on the one that you have. So for me, I have it linked to my Google Play account, and what you'll do is you'll log in there, and then it will reset and log you back in. So let me click onto this one, and you'll see that it takes you to a web browser. And then all you need to do on the web browser is enter in your email address and or log in there with your pass key. And then once you do that, it will take you back into eFootball, and then you'll be able to go back into the game and you won't get that error anymore. It'll just go straight into the game. Okay, so like you see right here, it'll go straight into the game. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.